All right, what's up, guys? I'm going to show you guys how to solve this equation. All right, so under ideal conditions, a certain bacteria population is known to double every 4 hours. Suppose there are initially 300 bacteria. So the first question is, what is the size of the population after 12 hours? Well, if we do 12 divided by 4, or if you just use common sense, you can see that that's 3 doubling periods. Let's say you start with 300, doubles once, it's at 600. Twice, it's at 1200. 3 times, it's at 2400. And obviously, 3 periods. So the first answer is going to be 2400. Now, what is the size of the population after t hours? This means we have to come up with an equation because it's asking us for a variable. So the answer I put was 300. This is wrong though. Was 300 times 2 to the power of, I guess I don't need to put the power thing, but to the power of t divided by 4. Now, this is technically right. It's the exact same thing, but this isn't what they're asking for. They're asking for like this more complex equation. The more complex equation is actually going to be 300 e. This is so e is a constant and 300 is your initial one. And then it's going to be 2 the power of k, which is your growth rate, and then t. So for t, we're gonna choose a time that's gonna be particularly easy. We'll just choose 4 hours because that's a doubling period. We'll choose that, and at 4 hours, once it's gone 4 hours, it's 600 because it'll have doubled. So it's gonna be 600. This is the equation we have right now. We're gonna solve for k real quick. So divide 300. Now you have 2 equals e to k. 4. Do a natural log to get rid of the e. So ln. So we're gonna have ln 2 equals k. 4 divide by 4. And now you're gonna have k. So let's plug this into Desmos real quick. I have natural log of 2 divided by 4. You're going to get this answer. All right. That's my answer. So the size of the population is going to be 300 e to the power of that number, which is, I think, what was it? 0.17328. 17328 times to the power of t. So this is going to be the first. This is going to be your second answer. And then for number 3, population after 19 hours, all you got to do is plug this exact same equation into Desmos. So let's do 300 e to the power, and that'll be this is my wrong one. (300e to the power of this times, we'll say that's not x, but just notice real quick if I put in 4. Oh, I messed it up real quick. One sec. Times 12. There you go. Sorry. Times 12. Notice how this is just about 2400. 2400 right here. So you're just going to basically plug in 19. I got worried for a second, but we're good. Plug in 19. It's going to be about 8072. So our second answer is going to be 8072. Yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. First answer is 2400, second one's this equation, the last one's 8072. You can do this. You can kind of do all this even if you have different numbers. It's pretty much the same thing. Hopefully that helped. Thanks.